Hey there, W210 Mercedes E320 fans. This video should apply to 98 through, I don't know, 2000. That's what year this wagon is here. 2000 or later, 2001. Any of the W210 320 variants. My daughter ripped off, damaged the right side passenger mirror. And none of the videos that I watched on YouTube already showed the clip that releases the cover with clarity. So let me try and show you the steps and show you the one part that nobody seemed to capture on camera. Okay, here's the damaged mirror. I've got a donor car. We'll look at that in a second. Here's a little clip that holds the cover on. The way you access that clip is by going inside here. Now, I can't show you real clearly here, but I'll show you on the other donor car over there. So that's the clip. The force of the yanking backwards on the mirror when she broke off the cover and messed up the glass is all cracked, popped this out of place. But that clip is supposed to be behind this plastic part here, and you're supposed to go in there and release it with a screwdriver when you bend the mirror backwards. Okay, so I'll pause it and we'll go to the donor car and look at that a little closer. Okay, now before we look at the donor car, let me just show you this here. That right there is the molded clip ledge that metal clip pushes up against to prevent the cover from flying off inadvertently while you're driving. And I've decided to reuse my cover here because there's only a slight break. I can glue that, and it would save me the trouble of painting it because the other one's a different color. The other car is a different color, plus the turn signal LED doesn't work on the other car. But the glass and the motor and the base is all perfectly fine, whereas this one's kind of messed up. So just to show you what happened, we've been driving around like that for a while. Not cool. Definitely not confidence inspiring. So let's go look at the other car and I'll try and show you that clip. Okay, I may have to flip the phone here to get the angle right, but there's a metal clip in there. You can see it on the left side. That little clip, it's currently popped in towards the car, so I'm ready to just slide this cover right off there. But the way that looked before I popped it out with a screwdriver was it was literally pushed in further to the left, so there was just enough room for a screwdriver. It's got a little retention tab molded in, so once you pop it to release the cover, it'll stay popped inwards. All right? So I'm going to just let this go, and then we're literally going to just pull this off. Let me switch modes there. You can see it's wiggling loose. Oh, also, before you do this, go inside the car and operate the mirror so the glass is tilted in. Otherwise, you won't be able to get the cover off. And I tested that before I pulled it off. It all works good. It all looks good, other than my deteriorated rubber piece here, which the other one on the other car is perfect. So I'm hoping I can keep that as I pull it off, and I'll show you a little more detail. Perfect mirror, not discolored, which is very common on these. And the way to release it now is the 3 Phillips head screws. You can see I already loosened the inner one there a little bit. 2 on the bottom, 1 on the top. And then it's just a matter of pulling it out and disconnecting the electrical connector. Let me try and get that as well. Pause. Okay, and off comes the mirror assembly. I'm going to have to detach that electrical harness. It'll require 2 hands. And I can't really show that, but it should be self-explanatory. I'm praying that connector is the same as on my other car, or I don't know what I'm going to do. Okay, so thanks for watching. I guess I could just switch over that mirror glass, and my motor seems to work okay. But I'm going to try and swap the whole unit. I didn't notice any driver's side mirror videos. I think most people don't mess up their driver's side mirror. They tend to ruin the right one because they can't see as well. And these are not the world's biggest mirrors. It's really, you don't see a whole lot in them. Okay, so take care, y'all. Drive safe. God bless. Bye.